Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious Mexican cold salad using ingredients in your fridge or pantry. But before we get started, I want to thank Best Foods, also known as Hellmann's on the East Coast, for sponsoring this video. Best Foods can help you turn random ingredients in your fridge into something delicious. Best Foods isn't just a condiment to add to your sandwiches, but can be used as a main ingredient in a lot of recipes. You can discover more recipes at bestfoods.com. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe, we're going to need 3/4 of a cup of Best Foods real mayonnaise, rotisserie chicken, corn, bell pepper, a half of a head of lettuce, carrots, peas, green onion, purple onion, jalapeño and pickle juice, and a 1/4 cup of sour cream or Greek yogurt. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first I'm going to begin by peeling my potatoes. We're also going to peel our carrots. Just get rid of the ends and peel. Alright, so once we peel our potatoes and carrots, now we're going to give them a quick rinse. Alright, so once we have our potatoes and carrots all nice and rinsed, now we're going to chop them into small little squares. So chop it in half, half again, and then two small strips, and then little squares. Alright, so once we have our potatoes into small little cubes, we're going to transfer them into a small saucepan. And now we're going to cut our carrots the same way. So cut it in half, and then half again, and then small little squares. Alright, so transfer your carrots with your potatoes. Now we're going to cover them with water. And we're going to set it on our stove. We're going to set it on medium-high heat, and we're just going to wait for them to come to a boil. Meanwhile, we can chop the remaining of our ingredients. So I'm just going to remove all of the bad spots on my lettuce. Alright, so now I'm just going to cut it. Just finely chop it. Alright, so once we have our lettuce, now we're going to transfer it into our strainer. And of course, if you don't have lettuce, you can use cabbage, use whatever you have. Alright, so now we're going to chop our onion, and this is what I have in my fridge. So I'm just going to remove all the bad spots, or the first layer of the onion. Remove the end. I'm just going to chop it. Alright, so I'm going to do the same to my onion. I'm going to transfer my onion with my lettuce. Alright, so I'm going to use my bell pepper that's already getting old. So we're just going to chop it into small pieces. Get rid of the seeds. Okay, so chop it into small little pieces. Get your bell pepper into small strips. Alright, so now just get them all together and cut them into small cubes. Okay, so now we're just going to transfer it with our onion and lettuce. Alright, so my corn is cooked. I made them this morning, so I had 3 left over. So now I'm just going to remove it from the cob. I'm just going to break the little kernel. Alright, so now I'm just going to transfer my corn with the rest of my veggies. Alright, so for my peas, I just rinsed them. So now I'm going to transfer with my ingredients in there too. Alright, so I'm going to be using my leftover roasted chicken. So I'm going to shred it. Of course, I mean, you can use ham, turkey, hard-boiled eggs, whatever you have. So now we're just going to shred it. Alright, so my chicken is nice and shredded. So now we're just waiting for the potatoes and carrots, and then we can put our delicious salad together. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, our potatoes and carrots are nice and soft. So now we're going to drain the water and allow them to cool down. Alright, so in a large bowl, we're going to mix all of our ingredients. So I got my peas, corn, bell pepper, onion, and lettuce, along with the potatoes and carrots. My chicken. Alright, so I'm going to use 1/4 cup of the jalapeno juice along with some jalapenos. My sour cream. And of course, my main ingredient, what's going to put this whole salad together. And I'm going to use 3/4 cup, but of course, it's going to be all optional, up to your liking. And now we're just going to mix it all together. So just make sure that you cover all of your veggies with the mayo. Alrighty, and I'm just going to season it with some salt and black pepper. And that's all going to be to your liking. Alright, so I'm just going to cover it and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 20 minutes. Okay, so just cover it like that. And we're going to let it rest. Alrighty guys, so after 30 minutes, we are now ready to serve our delicious cold salad. And just when you thought you didn't have nothing good to eat, now you have a delicious salad to enjoy. Alright, so I'm going to be serving my cold salad in some bell pepper that I have left over. But of course, you can serve them lettuce, tostadas, crackers, whatever you have on your pantry. But now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I am so ready. Let me grab a little bit of everything. Okay, here you go, enjoy. Seriously, super delicious. Everything together is the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make a super easy and delicious Mexican cold salad. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And also, once again, thank you Best Foods for sponsoring this video, and make sure you check out bestfoods.com for more recipes. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!